Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building flavor at the base. Heat a heavy pot, add oil, and sear diced onion, carrot, and celery until translucent. Once they begin to brown, add crushed garlic for 30 seconds so it won't burn. Deglaze with a splash of stock, then pour in the remaining stock to cover. You want simmering, not boiling, so reduce heat and skim foam. This keeps the broth clear and concentrates flavor as the next steps develop. Once the broth is steady at a gentle simmer, you add your main solids, chunks of chicken, beans, or mushrooms, so they release flavor without shredding. Make sure to stagger additions. Dense root vegetables go in early, delicate greens or pasta in the final 10 minutes. Stir occasionally to distribute heat and taste as you go. If the soup tastes flat, add a touch of acid near the end. You'll brighten the whole pot without losing the simmered depth you created earlier. To finish, bring the soup off heat and adjust seasoning carefully. Add salt in small increments and test. You can enrich with a splash of cream or a knob of butter and fold in chopped fresh herbs for aroma. If the texture needs smoothing, briefly puree some of the soup and return it. If something goes wrong, say it's too salty, dilute with water or unsalted stock and add a squeeze of lemon. That corrective acid will restore balance and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.